He's a cool guy. He's down to earth. Tells it how it is. He's pretty knowledgeable on some stuff, so he's a guy that I would trust with
I know that
information.
if I were ever in a problem, I could go to him for help and or advice, and he'd be willing to give it, and would really like to help in any way that he can.
He's incredibly thoughtful, and he'll look for ways to make people happy, and anyone happy, and he'll go out of his way for
Do you
people.
have a number of people who come up to you and like thank you? It shows that you're a part of an organization that people look up to, that people see a need for, that I don't know, that you stand for something more.